Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the Irish coffee. It's very easy, very simple. Actually, I'm already drinking one right now, so it's going to be my second one today. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make it, just stay tuned. I'm going to teach you right away. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and it's never too early for coffee, right? You can make that excuse. Alright guys, so the first thing you need is 2 to 3 ounces of Irish whiskey. You are making Irish coffee after all, so get your favorite one or whatever's of your choice. I am going to be honest with you guys, I'm not a big Irish whiskey fan. Whiskey is good, but the Irish one, it's not my cup of tea for me. And now, I'm going to need my cup of coffee or my pot of coffee. Thank you. So depending on how sweet you want your Irish coffee, this is the amount of sugar you're actually going to put on there. So I typically go with one spoon of this. I don't like my coffee way too sweet. So 1. Close it back up so it doesn't get all nasty. And then you're gonna fill it all the way to the top with coffee. The fresher, the better, you guys. I'll go about right there. Look, you can already see that steam coming right up. Boom, that's how fresh it is. And it is actually just grinded up just a little bit ago. This coffee, you guys, amazing. Your Irish coffee is only as good as your coffee and your beans. Make sure they're amazing. So just keep on spinning that around till all the sugar dilutes. The next thing I'm gonna need is my whipped cream. Oh, extra spin. Take off the spoon from there. Bam. Make sure your glass is heat proof so it doesn't shatter. Just a couple of whipped creamos in there. Bam. Perfect. Beautiful. And now for the garnish, guys. A lot of people like using nutmeg on that. I don't like using that shit. It open. Just kidding. Next thing you're gonna do is sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder up on the top. Just a little bit. Why? Because why not? That's why. There you go. Make it look beautiful, delicious, amazing. You could use a straw. I wouldn't. I drink mine without whipped cream. It's a little bit stronger and it works better. All right, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If there's any drink out there you would like me to create for you, just let me know down in the comments below. If I don't know how to make it, trust me, I'll learn. And if I can make it better, I'll teach you how to make it better. It's Alejandro from Alejandro The Mixologist. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.